I would like to show you how to use your Wipe Away Your Fears cloth to alleviate any trauma or anxiety that you might be suffering from. We need to think about the problem that we have and give ourselves a level of distress between 1 and 10, 1 being the lowest or nothing almost, and 10 will be the highest possible level of distress that we might be suffering. After that, we will try and correct the level of psychological reversal by tapping on the first part of the meridian points. So we'll start tapping on the karate chop. Nice firm taps, about 10 to 15 times. And we keep thinking about the problem that we might be suffering from. Then we follow onto the index finger with 2 fingers near the nail. We keep on tapping for the next 10 and 15 taps. The next point will be the little finger, again next to the nail, and some more firm taps on that meridian point. The next step is to tap under nose. Again, the same firm tapping, thinking about whatever the problem we might be suffering from. In between the lips and the chin. Another 10-15 firm taps, back under the nose, and then we're going to go on to the next hand. So with the left hand we'll tap onto the right hand, again next to the nail on the side of the finger, the index finger, again thinking about the problem. The next point is the little finger. Another 10-15 taps. And the last point in the psychological reversal starting point is the karate chop. So left hand onto the right hand, another 10 to 15 taps firmly on the nice karate chop side of our hand. Now we're going to follow the first step of the algorithm for trauma and extreme anxiety. So we start tapping on the eyebrow point at the very top, near our nose where the eyebrow just begins. 10-15 firm taps, and we're not forgetting to think about the problem that we're trying to alleviate. The next step is the cheekbone, just under the eye. Again, another firm 10 to 15 taps. The next step is our armpit. Another 10 to 15 firm taps. The next point is our collarbone, and that's just underneath our collarbone. It's about 1 inch away from our V and down to 1 inch left or right. And another 10 to 15 taps, thinking about the problem. Now for step number 2. We're going to follow tapping onto the gamut point, and we're going to do this continuously whilst doing the following steps. We're going to close our eyes, open, look sharply down to one side, either left or right. So we start with the right and then sharply looking down to the left, then roll our eyes in a circle and then the other way, and now we're going to hum a tune, the simplest one being Happy Birthday. And we're going to count out loud 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and hum the tune again. After step 3, we need to check what is the level of distress that we're still suffering, whether it's changed from the initial level that we started off with. If it hasn't gone down to a low level of 2 or 3, we need to repeat the whole process again, starting from the very beginning, and if necessary, repeat it once more after that.